Hi everyone, welcome back. So glad to have you guys here. I know I'm late for this video, but what happened with me on the Mother's Day, I had to document that because it happened very first time in my life, and so far I have shared everything with you guys, so why not this, right? So guys, first of all, I'm so sorry. Nowadays my videos are not coming on time. Is that because kids are having final exams? So they'll be over with the school this coming week. So from that, then we'll have the vacation. But then after 2 weeks, they will start the summer school as well as the summer classes. So then again, it will get a little bit busier, but not as much as right now. I can finally breathe and not to worry about what to pack for lunch, because as a mother, we always worried about like what are we gonna give tomorrow for lunch. So I don't have to worry about that. Top of that, there is so many things going on right now, and once the time comes, definitely I'll share with you guys. So coming back to this video, as most of you know that I do have two boys. They are 13 and 14 years old, and of course all this year every Mother's Day has been very precious and special, but this one was different because all this time either they give me card, chocolates, flower, at night we go out for dinner, and that's about it. But this one, guys, was so different because I was not involved in any of their planning. Everything was done by my husband and boys, and the thing is they cook for me. Yes, I was so happy because जो भी उन लोगों ने खाना बनाया था वो इतना यमी मुझे लगा, क्योंकि इतने प्यार से जो बनाया था तीनों ने. So for dinner we went to Indian restaurant, but for the brunch they were the one who came up with the menu. They were coordinate with each other, like I'm gonna make this, so if you make this it's not gonna go together, so make sure you make something that goes with the main dish. So that's how they coordinate with each other. And so they came up with the menu, they came up with the recipe, they went for the grocery shopping. And that morning, actually, I was not allowed to come downstairs because they didn't want me to know what they were cooking. So when I woke up, they brought the tea upstairs, and then when everything was ready, I came downstairs. So I'm gonna share everything with you guys. And I'm kind of person that doesn't take too much to please me actually. मैं छोटे में खुश हो जाती हूँ, मेरा इतना कुछ नहीं है. और आई एम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कोई एक्सपेंसिव बड़ी गिफ्ट चाहिए. इफ़ यू जस्ट गिव मी द पीस ऑफ चॉकलेट एंड आई एम हैप्पी. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन बिकॉज उसके पीछे जो थॉट है आपकी, राइट, आप किसी के बारे में सोचते हो कुछ करने का, दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी देन एनीथिंग एल्स. सो ये तीनों ने इतनी प्लान की, इतना प्लान से सब कुछ किया, दैट वॉज मोर देन एनीथिंग फॉर मी. सो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट सब कुछ तो करना ही था, तो आई एम गोना शेयर एवरीथिंग विथ यू गाइस. एंड जो रेसिपी मेरे बेटे ने बनाया था वो इट्स कॉल्ड कैलिफोर्निया क्रंच रैप. यहाँ पे जो इफ़ यू गाइस स्टे हियर इन द स्टेट, आई एम श्योर यू गाइस मस्ट हैव गॉन टू टाको बेल, एंड वहाँ पे ये मिलता है. इट्स कॉल्ड California crunch wrap, और breakfast में मिलता है. So usually they put like a rice, scrambled eggs, hash brown and all that stuff in there. But the way he made it came out so good. So after a couple of days I asked him, I said, can you make it one more time so I can share that with you guys. So that also I'm gonna do it. So I have a lot to cover, guys, so let's go ahead and start. So basically this is my second round. As soon as I came downstairs, the table was ready for me. This letter was written by my son, as well as he made the French toast. He served that with the rusk as well as the chai. Now keep in mind, guys, this is the first time ever he made the French toast, but again it came out so good. He also served that with the crispy chips. Now this crispy chips, he made it from the burrito. So basically he cut that, put it in the oven, roast it, and then he served that with the spicy sauce. And these are the main dishes, guys. My entire table was full with all those yummy food. I do have all kind of fruits. So there were apple, cantaloupe, mango were there. Again, those chips were there with the spicy sauce, as well as the spicy peanut were there. Bread and butter were there, as well as that California crunch wrap. He served that with the hash brown. Younger one is the one who made the strawberry refreshener and cut mirch. Actually, my husband went and got it from the Indian store because he knows that I love that chili so much. So he's the one who went and got it. But again, guys, everything was so good. And this is my afternoon snack. So as you can see, there is a samosa, cut mirch, as well as the vada pav was there. They again served that with the chai. And now it's time for us to go to the Indian restaurant. So this is my outfit of the day, and the restaurant that we went to, we've been there many times and we love that one so much. It's called Pind. Entire menu, I mean, as far as the vegetarian goes, we have almost tried everything and it's really good. So the food that we ordered for the main dishes, we had the malai kofta, paneer sabji were there. We ordered the naan, as well as for the appetizer, we had the Manchurian, the gobi Manchurian. It was so good. It was nice and crunchy, and entire dinner was actually really yummy. So my entire day was basically filled with the memories, and that's what it matters. That's what you remember years to come, because kids are growing so fast, guys. So I would highly suggest that if you have a younger kids at home, take the advantage of it and spend as much as time as you can. So now I will share my son's signature dish, and that is the crunch wrap. So as you can see, he took one burrito. Top of that, he put the tostada, and now he's gonna basically go ahead and cut the burrito size of the tostada. So once that is cut, now again he's gonna take the another burrito, and first of all he's gonna lay down all kind of sauces. So there is a Baja sauce, Chipotle sauce, and all the sauces actually they are the Taco Bell brand, and I can always find it at the Walmart. Somehow I cannot find it at the Wegmans, but Walmart always carry it. So he's gonna have all those sauces first and then put the tostada on top of that, so that way tostada can stick to the bottom. After mixing all of them, now he's gonna put the tostada on top of that, and then he's gonna have a little bit of sour cream, also a little bit of lettuce, and these are the cut lettuce that they bought it. Of course the lettuce is not that hard to cut, but I guess they were just kind of wants to save some time. They just bought this ready-made one, and here they do have some green chilies, onion, and the tomato, so he's gonna have a little bit of that also. Next he's gonna add the Mexican cheese. Now these are blend of 4 different cheese. You can add any cheese that you like, but this kind of cheese is widely available in any kind of grocery store, so it's really easy to find. So after adding all the ingredients on top of tostada, he laid down the burrito which he cut at the same size of tostada, press it gently, and now he's gonna fold the edges. So this is a little bit tricky part. You want to make sure that you do have the enough sauce, so that way it doesn't get open, and that's about it. After that, he add a little bit oil into the pan and roast it on both sides. Make sure it's nice and crunchy, and believe me guys, this crunch wrap is so yummy. And very first time when he made it on Mother's Day, after that, couple of days after, I asked him to do it one more time so I can share this with you guys. But after that, every single day when he come home from school, I used to ask him that, can you please make this for me? Actually, it should be other way around. I should be making snacks for him after he come home from school. But man, this is so good. So of course he didn't mind. And every time when kids make something for you, you like it, right? So I would highly suggest guys that do try this recipe. Let us know because as you can see, I'm just basically monitoring him. He's the one who's doing by himself, and leave the comments below. Let him know that what you guys think of this, because both of my boys actually love to read your comments, and he would highly appreciate if you leave the comments below and let him know how he did it. Again, this is the very first time he made this. He's the one who plate this entire plate for you guys. He decorated with the sauce and everything. He's the one who took the pictures. So I'm not going to take any of the credit here, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.